Tokenization platform Libeara partners with GFX to drive Pan-African financial inclusion. GFX, Ghana. Libeara. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. Journalist. Tanzeel Akhtar. About author. Tanzeel Akhtar is a seasoned journalist who has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. November 13, 2025. Ghana-based brokerage firm GFX has entered into a strategic partnership with Libeara, a regulated tokenization platform backed by Standard Chartered Ventures, to explore the tokenization of government-issued financial instruments and expand access to high-quality investments across Africa. The announcement, made today at the Singapore FinTech Festival, is a step forward in the continent's efforts to democratize access to financial markets. For millions of Africans, investing in their own country's development, through instruments such as government bonds, remains out of reach. Minimum investment thresholds are often too high, effectively limiting participation to institutions and wealthy people. This exclusion prevents citizens from accessing stable savings products and wealth-building opportunities that are commonplace in more developed markets. Breaking barriers through tokenization. The challenge is rooted in the operational realities of emerging markets, where the cost of managing thousands of small retail accounts can outweigh the benefits for governments focused on raising capital quickly and efficiently. As a result, states have historically taken an institutional-first approach, setting minimum ticket sizes that inadvertently shut out everyday savers. Tokenization offers a breakthrough. By representing government bonds and similar instruments as digital tokens on a blockchain, Libeara's technology allows automated settlement, compliance, and transaction workflows through smart contracts. This dramatically cuts administrative overhead, reduces counterparty risk, and accelerates reconciliation. Lower operational costs mean governments can reduce minimum investment sizes, opening the door for retail participation at scale. On a continent where the majority of savings remain outside the traditional financial system, our mission is to create a new bridge, one where anyone with a smartphone and $5 in their pocket can invest in their nation's future with dignity, said Joe Anka, CEO of GFX. Assets issued under the new partnership will leverage Libeara's infrastructure, which currently supports more than $1 billion in regulated real-world assets on-chain, bringing real-world assets on-chain safely and securely. Libeara is bringing real-world assets on-chain one step at a time, in a safe and compliant manner, and we are proud to make headway into the African continent through this initiative, said Aaron Gwack, founder and CEO of Libeara. This partnership highlights the importance of tokenization serving real-world needs, enabling financial inclusion in underserved markets. Access to stable, high-quality financial instruments should not be the privilege of the few, but a fundamental right for all, so that everyday Africans can own a piece of their nation's economic future, he added. Regulatory foundations strengthening in Ghana. Ghana's regulators are laying the groundwork for innovations like this to scale. The forthcoming Virtual Asset Services Providers, VASP, bill will create a comprehensive framework for overseeing digital asset activities and tokenized instruments. Joint supervision by the Bank of Ghana and the Securities and Exchange Commission of Ghana will ensure that innovation unfolds in a safe, controlled, and investor-protected environment. Until the new regime takes effect, the Bank of Ghana's regulatory sandbox offers a supervised space for testing blockchain-based financial services under real market conditions, allowing firms like GFX and Libeara to validate new models responsibly. Ghana says crypto regulation coming. In October, Ghana's central bank pledged to regulate cryptocurrencies by December 2025, despite not yet hiring the staff needed to enforce the rules. Bank of Ghana Governor Johnson Agyama announced the ambitious timeline at the International Monetary Fund's fall meetings in Washington on Thursday, promising Parliament will receive a virtual assets bill before year-end. The announcement addresses a regulatory void in a country where approximately 3 million adults, roughly 17% of the population, actively use digital currencies for payments, savings, and remittances. Crypto transactions in Ghana totaled $3 billion between July 2023 and June 2024, representing strong economic activity occurring beyond traditional banking oversight. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Why is crypto down today? November 13, 2025 XRP price prediction. Wall Street-ready ETFs appear as government shutdown ends. Will XRP finally explode? Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Pepe, Ethereum by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Macro investor says bull market still alive, but a 70% collapse could follow. 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. News. XRP price prediction. First U.S. spot ETF goes live today, breakout to $100 starting. 6 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Crypto funds dump BTC and ETH, but pour millions into Solana instead. 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. November 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 14 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in for November 2025. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 19 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025. By Ben Beto.